to speak on behalf of the Igbanke people. We are here to appeal that we, the Igbanke people, should join our brothers in Anioma state. We are marginalized in Edo state because we are minorities. When Delta state was created, our brothers were assigned to Delta state. The Akwa people, the Umunede people, the people who are Eka. But we, as a Igbanke people, we belong to the Eka tribe. They left us in Edo state. So in Edo state, we are just marginalized because we are minorities. So we are here to appeal that justice should be done. That they should take us to join our brothers so that we can eat with the same plate with them. It's a noble appeal. Please help us to be in an Anioma state. Thank you very much.
You all have heard what our brother and elder from Igbanke said. He said that during the public hearing in Uyo, Igbanke people were fully present in Uyo on the day of that public hearing. They food that place, and their son here represented them by telling the house that they are Igbo people, that they want to join their Eka brothers in Anioma land. He said that they are being carved out from their brothers known as the Eka people in Anioma. They are being carved to Edo State. They have been suffering from marginalization in that Edo State. If you go to Igbanke land today, there is no development there. See, you go dey ask yourself, Shena Igbanke, why would they hear the name be this? No good road, no good school, no hospital, nothing dey that community. They just they suffer. Igbanke people pay their teachers with their own money, with their own pocket, and then they pay their teachers. Then they contribute money, they do their road. A community that are still contributing in this era to build their place. You know that you say these people, they suffer from marginalization. Igbanke people, they pass Delta State to go for their local government headquarters. They said that before they go their local government, they go pass Delta State, like they go enter other Eka communities for Anioma. Pass that place, they go their local government area for that Anioma local government. This is to tell you that these people are not meant to be in Edo State. You know what TB say? They pass another state, they go your own local government. It don't make sense. Even for that, their own local government, Igbanke people don't occupy any political position there. And that's because they are not Ile Bini people. They are not Bini people. If to say Igbanke people are Bini people, they would occupy positions for their government. There's no way Bini people will allow Igbanke people that speak Igbo language to occupy position, to occupy power in that Edo State. If Igbanke person come and say won't go for governorship, Bini people not go agree. They will tell and say here not be Igbo land. They will remind you of where you came from. They will tell you say you be Igbo person because you are not a Bini person. Igbanke speak only one language, and that is Igbo. They are not Bini people. And he said that they are a minority in Edo State. There are also other Eka communities in that Edo State. Their language is Eka. Eka is an Igbo dialect. It's an Igbo region. They speak Igbo language. All of them are suffering from marginalization. They want to join Anioma State to coexist with their Eka brothers. Igbanke community is a very big community. That community too big. Yet, nothing good they come out from that community. Igbanke people not defeat invest for their community because development not they there. They not get light. That community not know how NEPA light they be. No light there. Marginalization don't turn Igbanke to just village. Like they want use marginalization turn Igbanke people to camp. Imagine a community that have 6 kings, no development there. And that is because they are not where they are supposed to be. They are not meant to be in Edo State. If Igbanke people join Anioma State, there will be so many opportunities for their youths. Opportunities will come their way. They will have a say in government. They will have their own local government. They will no longer be a minority because they are now part of their Ika brothers in Anioma land. They will have a voice in Nigeria because they are now part of the southeast. Because Anioma State is going to the southeast. A person from Igbanke can be the governor of Anioma State. And for an Anioma person to become the president of Nigeria, he needs the backup and support of the entire southeast. And the entire southeast will support us because we all are Igbo people. If Ika person won't become president of Nigeria, the entire southeast states go vote for him because we are one people. Igbo people are being hated in Nigeria to the core by tribes in the south, tribes in the southwest, and tribes in the north. Majority of them hate the Igbos. This is why we Igbos are expected to unite as a people. I thought they look at those Anioma people, they don't say we should remain in south. They don't get sense. Many of them they talk and because of say some people they talk and they hear them for some people mouth for Anioma. Now why so many of them they talk and if you tell them the importance of we Anioma people being zoned to the south is they will support it. This is why it's expected of us to always say the truth. We expect to be saying the truth, to be teaching our people who they are and where they are supposed to belong. Only an Igbo man loves an Igbo man in this country called Nigeria. A non-Igbo will never love an Igbo man. The love I have for Ukwuani people, my people, too much. The love I have for Ika people, too much. The love I have for Ukwuani people is too much. The love I have for every Igbo speaking community and region is too much. Why? Because we all are Igbo people. We are one people. No one from another tribe will love Ukwuani people more than the southeast. No one from a non-Igbo tribe will love Anioma people as a whole more than the southeast. This is why we are expected to be with our brothers. Just look at how Igbanke people are doing everything possible to make sure that they join Anioma states to escape being marginalized. If Igbanke people tell you what they are passing through in that Edo state, you go do pass like them. This agitation what they do so if to say you come from Igbanke, you see the kind of marginalization where these people they face. You go they support Anioma State with everything in you to make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality for Igbanke people to join their Ika brothers in Anioma. If there are Ukwuani people in those states, we will do everything possible to bring them back to join Anioma State to coexist with their Ukwuani brothers. Igbanke people have suffered so much in that Edo state. We say no that they will no longer suffer again in that Edo state. To make you understand that these people are being marginalized, the Oba of Benin suspended Igbanke kings. Kings that are equal to him. Igbanke kings, they equal to the Oba of Benin. The Oba of Benin have no rights at all to suspend kings like him. He have no right, not being put them for that seat. Igbanke kings are older than that Oba of Benin dynasty. Igbanke community is as old as Oduduwa that gave birth to Yoruba dynasties and the Oba of Benin. Igbanke kings came into existence in the 1100s, which is just 1,000 years ago. Igbanke people have occupied that their land long time ago before Oba of Benin invaded Idu Kingdom from Ile-Ife. So what gave Oba of Benin the right to suspend kings that have been on the throne before his father Oromiyan and Oduduwa was born? Who give Oba of Benin that right? It's an insult for a king to suspend another king. He suspended Igbanke kings when we say Igbanke kings don't have Benin origin. They don't have Benin ancestry. They are of Igbo origin. Igbanke kings have no connection with Benin. Waiting give Oba of Benin the right to suspend Igbanke kings. This is the marginalization that we are talking about. The Oba of Benin is an invader. He wants to take over Igbanke land, but we say no. Igbanke kings say no, that the Oba of Benin, an invader, will not take over their land. If Igbanke people are not in those states, the Oba of Benin will not suspend any of their kings. This is why Igbanke people are expected to come out from those states and coexist with their brothers to escape marginalization. Anioma State is going to be in the southeast, and Igbanke people will start coexisting with their southeast brothers when they join Anioma State. May Chukwu bless Igbanke people. May Chukwu bless Igbanke kings for doing everything possible to make sure that they join Anioma State. May Chukwu bless Senator Ned Nwoko outside the jog for doing everything possible for us to have Anioma State, to develop Anioma land, to develop our region, to give our upcoming generation a better future. May Chukwu bless the Igbo unification movement for championing Anioma state creation. May Chukwu bless the entire Igbo race for standing up and supporting the Igbanke people and Anioma people in general. Remain blessed, my people. Ishiagwale.